Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to create software, APK or any other platform package for tracking camera. Uh, Introduction, I will show you how to use Unity, OPENCV and WEBCAM to can create a game that it's only open your webcam and you can use your mouse. You can mark a square for any object that the camera see, and it keep tracking it. Now let's start. What you need to download? First of all, you need to download Unity. I use version 2200.3.27 F1. You can use another. You need Assist, which is OpenCV plus Unity. You need a webcam software. This you will use it if you don't have webcam but you want to use your smartphone. So we need to download two softwares, Irion webcam and Manicam. And in the end I will show you how to replace a script inside the OpenCV Assist. It's improved so much the tracking, and it's much more smoother, and for example if shaking or fast moving it will keep. The original one it's much more weak. First of all the links it's provided in the descriptions. For the modified script I provide a Google Drive link. It's direct. Unity version I don't think it's too much large. It was very fast downloading. It depends on your internet. Now let's move step by step to guide. After you download all the 4 links I provide, actually 5, you need first of all to open Unity and create a new project. It's better to choose 2D to keep the final size is smaller, and it's much more easy to work with this. Open the link provided for OpenCV plus Unity and download it. When you download, it will appear a pop-up, will appear asking to open it in editor. Do it. In Unity, it will appear list of folders. Click in all and import them. After that, in the left lower corner, you will see there assist. You will find their assist with the name OpenCV plus Unity. Open the demo folder, go to demo, and then you will find tracking folder. You will find there 3 files: tracking scenes setting, and tracking script. What you need to do is to remove the tracking script. You can use it, but it's use median flow and it's not so perfect. I modified so it can use a KCF. It's much more advanced. Now you need to remove this script, and you need to drag the tracking script that you already downloaded from the link and place it exactly in the same plane. OpenCV plus Unity Assist demo tracking folder, and do it. Now it's a very important step. If you try to run the editor, it will create an error indicating that you need to allow unsafe code. Go to Edit, Project Setting, Player, and in the search bar type unsafe. Scroll down until you find option marked unsafe code. Check it and close the window. Now go to File, Building Setting, At the top of the window you will find Sensing Build. There should be a sample sense or something similar. Remove it. Click Add Open Senses and navigate to the path Assist, OpenCV Unity, Demo Tracking and click Build. If you want to share this project, already now we finish. You go to the folder, you will find there an exe folder, press it, open it and it will start the game. But if you want to share this project with another or you want to share it online and you don't want the another folders to be accessible, you can do something very fast. Almost everyone have WinRAR. You go to the folder where you create, where you build your project. Right click in the folder, go to Open Archive, change the compression method to fastest option. Check Create SFX Archive, Advanced, Setup by writing your folder name and exe name. For example, Yusuf/build.exe. Check Unpack to temporary folder. Then set the text and icon, and finally there you have a browse. Press choose photo. It's recommended to be 96 and 96. Click OK twice. OK, and now you will find your standalone folder. When you press it, it will open like as installation window. In some seconds, it will like install all the folders in temporary folder. The game will run, and that's it. Enjoy.